What's happening?
I'm kidnapping you. What does it look like?
No, please wait. Wait, before we go, I need to let out my dog.
What? No.
I always let him out before I go. I'll be so fast. So how long do you think this will take?
I don't know, until someone pays your ransom. A few days, maybe?
Days? I'm gonna get my dog.
What? No!
I always bring him on trips with he has anxiety.
This isn't a trip!
No, please. He loves car rides. Just 1 second. Keep on rolling the windows down. He likes to stick his head out.
Wait, but...
Also, if we're gonna be gone for a few days, we need to stop by the pet store and get him some dog food. Anything organic is fine. I'm not picky.
You've got to be kidding me.
No, and they close in a few minutes, so